Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If e to the power sin square x plus sin to the power 4x plus sin to the power 6x plus and so on infinity into log 2 base c is equal to 8, then we have to find cos x by cos x plus sin x. Okay, where x lies between 0 to pi by 8. Okay, what is given? E to the power sin square x plus sin to the power 4x plus sin to the power 6x plus so on up to infinity. This is infinite GP. So infinite GP formula S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, sum of infinite GP, where A is first term sin square x and a common ratio equal sin square x. 1 minus R will be sin square x. It will going to be sin square x by 1 minus sin square x is cos square x is nothing but tan square x. Okay, e to the power tan square x into log 2 base c is equal to 8. We have one formula m log n is equal log n to the power m. Log n to the power m. So it will going to be e to the power tan square x into log 2 base c is nothing but log this tan square x taking in power 2 power tan square x base c is equal to 8. Okay, we have one formula a to the power log m base a is equal to m. So this is nothing but e to the power log 2 to the power tan square x base c is nothing but 2 power tan square x is equal to 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. Okay. Now bases equal, powers are equal. Then it will be tan square x is equal to 3. Tan x is equal to root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 60 degrees. But what is our target? So required cos x by cos x plus sin x. It will going to be cos x value cos 60 by cos 60 degrees by cos 60 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. So it will going to be cos 60 value 1 by 2, cos 60 value 1 by 2, sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Okay. So 1, 2 get cancelled. 2, 2, 2 get cancelled after LCM. So 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, let us do rationalization. So root 3 minus 1 divide and multiply. It will going to be root 3 minus 1 by. So denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. Root 3 whole square minus 1 square. It will be 2. So what is answer? Root 3 minus 1 by 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2. This is answer. Okay. Now I am going to explain question number 2. Let f of n is equal to 2 cos nx for all small n belongs to natural number. Then then the value of f of 1 into f of n plus 1 minus f of n is. Okay, so what is given? F of n value given, then we have to find this value. So f of 1 into f of n plus 1 minus f of n. It will going to be f of n value 2 cos nx. F of 1 value on n replaced by 1. It will going to be 2 cos x, 2 cos 1x. F of n plus 1 on n replaced by n plus 1. It will going to be 2 cos n plus 1 into x. Minus f of n, right as it is, 2 cos nx. Okay, now I say that 2 cos 2 take out common. Okay, 2 take out common, it will be, so 2 cos x cos n, 2 cos a cos b. We have 2 cos a cos b formula, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So it will going to be 2 cos a cos b. So cos a plus b, x plus n plus 1 into x, x plus n plus 1 into x plus cos, what is the formula? Cos a minus b, x minus n plus 1 into x minus cos nx. Okay, this total 2 take out common. So 2 times of, it will going to be cos n plus 2 into x. So it will be cos nx, cos minus nx. Cos of minus nx is equal to plus cos nx. Okay, in this x's get cancelled, cos nx, this is minus cos nx. In this one, cos nx get cancelled, it will be 2 cos n plus 2 into x. 2 cos n plus 2 into x. This is nothing but f of n plus 2. Where f of, since f of n is equal to 2 cos nx, this is given. 2 cos n plus 2 into x, it will be f of n plus 2. F of n plus 2. So this is the answer. Okay. And now I'm going to explain question number 3. If x is equal sin alpha plus sin beta, y is equal to cos alpha plus cos beta, then we have to find tan alpha plus tan beta. Okay. So xy values are given, then we have to find tan alpha plus tan beta. So tan alpha plus tan beta equal to tan alpha formula, right? Sin alpha by cos alpha. This is sin beta by cos beta. So let us do LCM. Cos alpha into cos beta. It will going to be sin alpha cos beta. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It will be sin A plus B sin alpha plus beta by denominator, right, cos alpha into cos beta. Okay, divide multiplied by 2. We have one formula, 2 cos alpha cos beta is cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta. Okay, right, 2 sin alpha plus beta by, in denominator, right, this 2 cos alpha cos beta plus, we should write cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta. Okay, now we have to find sin alpha plus beta. Next, cos alpha plus beta as well as cos alpha minus beta. Okay, this is, let us take equation 1. So what is given? So x, y values are given. X is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta. We have sin c plus sin d formula 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 2 cos alpha 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. So what is y given? Cos alpha plus cos beta given. It will be 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay. So cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, let us do divide these two equations. So therefore x by y is equal to 1 2 as well as cos alpha minus beta by 2 get cancelled. So it will going to be tan alpha plus beta by 2. Tan alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, our target is first we have to find sin alpha plus beta. So sin alpha plus beta is equal. Okay, we have formula sin theta formula in terms of tan. Sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. And cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay. Sin alpha plus beta. So sin alpha plus beta, we have sin theta formula, right? 2 tan alpha plus beta by 2. So this is theta. 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay, it will going to be 2 times of tan alpha plus beta by 2. We have got x by y by 1 plus x by y whole square. So it will going to be 2x by y. So let us do LCM y square. So y square by y square plus x square. 1y get cancelled. It will be 2xy by x square plus y square. What is this sin alpha plus beta value? Now we have to find cos alpha plus beta. Therefore, cos alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the formula cos alpha plus beta? 1 minus tan square alpha plus beta by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, 1 minus. So tan alpha plus beta by 2 value x by y, x square by y square by 1 plus x square by y square. It will going to be y square minus x square by y square plus x square. So after LCM, y square get cancelled. Now we have to find next cos alpha minus beta. Next, this is target. What is the first equation? So x is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta. This is the first equation. Second equation, y is equal to cos alpha plus cos beta. Okay. So let us take LCM. Okay, sorry. So let us do 1 square, equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. So x square plus y square is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta whole square plus cos alpha plus cos beta whole square. It will going to be x square plus y square is equal, by using a plus b whole square formula. Now I say that a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will be cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta. Okay, x square plus y square. The sin square alpha plus cos square alpha will be 1. Sin square beta plus cos square beta value will be 1. So 2 take out common in this. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, it will be cos alpha minus beta. Therefore, cos alpha minus beta is equal to 1 plus 1 to bring the left side, x square plus y square minus 2 by 2. Okay, this is cos alpha minus beta value. But what is required from main equation? What is the main equation? So tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to 2 sin alpha plus beta by cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta. So this is, let us take capital A equation. Okay. 2 sin alpha plus beta, 2 times of sin alpha plus beta value, we have got 2xy by x square minus y square by cos alpha plus beta value, y square minus x square by x square plus y square. Cos alpha minus beta value, we have got this value, x square plus y square minus 2 by 2. Okay, let us do LCM. So after LCM, sin alpha plus beta value, denominator plus. Okay. So 4xy. So after LCM, x square plus y square get cancelled. 2 times of this value, 2 into y square minus x square plus x square plus y square into x square plus y square minus 2. This is answer. Four xy by 4xy. Okay, these two, after LCM, these two also multiply with numerator 8. So 4 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 8 cos xy, 8 cos xy by 2 times of y square minus x square plus x square plus y square plus x square plus y square minus 2. This is correct answer. Have you understood? After LCM, x square plus y square get cancelled. X square plus y square, denominator x square plus y square get cancelled. These two multiply with the numerator. Okay, after LCM. So 2 times of y square minus x square. So 2 times of x square minus y square. 2 times of y square minus x square plus x square plus y square into x square plus y square minus 2. Okay, this is answer 8xy by. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 4. If sin x by a is equal to cos x by b is equal to tan x by c is equal to k, then we have to find bc plus 1 by ck plus ak by 1 plus bk. Okay, first option, k times of a plus 1 by a. Second option, 1 by k times of a plus 1 by a. Third option, 1 by k square. Fourth option, a by k. Okay, this is statement. So what is given? This condition is given. So sin x by a is equal to k. First, we have to find bc plus 1 by ck plus ak by 1 plus bk. First, we have to find abc values. So sin x by a is equal to k. Therefore, a is equal to sin x by k. Okay, next, cos x by b. So cos x by b is equal to k. Therefore, b is equal to cos x by k. As well as next condition, tan x by k, tan x by c is equal to k. Therefore, c is equal to tan x by k. Okay. So let us take statement. What is the statement? So what is required? So required is bc plus 1 by ck plus ak by 1 plus bk. This is our target. Okay, bc. What is B value? Okay, 1 minute. B value, 1 minute. Just so A value sin x by k, B value cos x by k, and the C value tan x by k. Okay, now substitute in this equation. So B cos x by k into C, where C value is tan x by k, 1 by ck, 1 by ck, C value tan x by k into k plus ak, A value sin x by k into k by 1 plus bk. The bk value, B value cos x by k into k. Now it will going to be, so cos x into sin, tan x from the sin by cos, one cos get cancelled. It will be sin x by k square, k into k, k square. In this one k get cancelled, k cancel, k cancel. It will going to be 1 by tan x is cot x formula cos x by sin x. So this is sin x by 1 plus cos x. Okay. So it will be sin x by k square. So let us do LCM. So first write sin x by k square. So let us do LCM. This LCM is sin x into 1 plus cos x. Sin x into 1 plus cos x. It will going to be cos x into 1 plus cos x is cos x plus cos square x plus sin square x. Okay. So it is sin x by k square. So cos square x plus sin square x 1, cos x plus 1 by denominator, right, sin x into 1 plus cos x. In this 1 plus cos x get cancelled. It would be sin x by k square plus 1 by sin x. Okay. But sin x value from statement sin x by k value, write a. Sin x by k square this is. So it can be written as sin x by k by k. So sin x by k place we should write sin x by k. Sin x by k value a by k plus 1 by sin x. So 1 by sin x, 1 by sin x place we should write sin x ak. In this 1 by k take out common, a plus 1 by a. This is answer. Which option is correct? So option 2 correct. Sin x value from this equation, sin x is equal to ak. So 1 by sin x is 1 by ak. Okay, 1 by k take out common, it will be a plus 1 by a. This is correct answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.